Hello, Karishma ma'am.
Hello, Akshra ma'am. How are you?
I am awesome. How are you?
I'm very happy. Can you see the weather outside?
Yes, it looks so lovely. The wind is blowing.
Yes, it's an awesome weather outside, and rain is about to come.
Yes. Karishma ma'am, do you like pets?
Yes, and I have a pet. I have
Oh,
a
which
cat
one?
at my house.
Oh, wow, you have a cat in your house. That's nice. Even even I have a pet dog in my house. And cat and dog are not best friends, but we are best friends. So today our book is related with the weather and a pet. That is Silly Kitty and the Windy Day. Karishma ma'am, would you
Wow.
like to read?
Yes, it sounds so interesting.
Yes. And you know why it is important to read?
Yes, we need to read to learn. It really increases our reading capacity and it's important for our kid to read. Yes, to memorize, to read, and to learn.
Yes, and the knowledge gets enhanced. बहुत सारी knowledge मिलती है books को read करने से. So let us read this book, The Silly Kitty. Would you like to read, ma'am?
Yes, we can see this is a silly kitty. Okay, silly kitty lives with his human Emma.
Yes, the name of the character is Emma.
Silly
Oh,
kitty lives with his human Emma. When Emma goes to school, silly kitty has
The
to find
Bluetooth
things
device is
to
ready
do.
to pair.
I'm sorry about the disturbance. Can we read it one more time?
When Emma goes to school, silly kitty has to find the things to do. He goes outside. Today is a windy day. Silly Kitty chases the leaves blowing off the trees. He jumps at the clothes blowing on the line.
Yes, the kitty is jumping over the clothes. Although I don't like animals jumping over the clothes. मेरी जो डॉग है वो भी बहुत ज्यादा जब वो बहुत ज्यादा अपनी केयर एक्सप्रेस करने की कोशिश करती है तो वो हमारे पास आते हैं पेट्स एनिमल्स बट कभी कभी मुझे ये अच्छा नहीं लगता बट इट्स जस्ट अ फॉर्म ऑफ देयर लव which they want to express.
Express. Yes. He watches the clouds blowing across the sky. That means he's
Wow.
enjoying the nature.
Yes.
Silly Kitty likes windy days. There are lots of things to do.
What do you like to do
Hey,
on windy days, ma'am?
ma'am, on windy day I like to play with my siblings. I go on a terrace and enjoy the weather.
Oh wow. See, we have a quiz also. Shall we play this quiz?
Yes, now we know about Silly Kitty.
Yes, and let us see how many questions can we answer. What kind of day is it? Sunny, snowy, rainy, or windy?
Windy! Silly Kitty
Okay,
likes windy days.
yes. What does Silly Kitty chase? His friend, his tail,
No, no.
leaves, or washing?
Leaves!
Yes.
Yes!
Why do you think Silly Kitty jumps at the clothes on the washing line? I
Okay.
think I think he wants to wear the clothes. No? No, no, no.
No. The wind
Neither
is
he wants
making
to
the
get right.
clothes flap around.
Yes. The wind was making the clothes flap around. What does Silly Kitty do with the clouds? Clouds के साथ उसने क्या किया था?
He watches them
Yes, he was watching them. Why does Silly Kitty like windy days? Because
because
he
loves to
likes,
go.
I think he likes to stay inside.
No, he likes to go outside.
Okay. Oh, we
Oh
got one
no.
wrong. That's okay.
Okay, at least we have got 80%.
Yes, that was amazing. And we have finished one book reading today. So I enjoy book reading a lot and it develops knowledge as well as I really love to read the novels, the storybooks. What are your favorite books, Karishma ma'am?
Ma'am, I love to read, the suspense novels, and I have many books related, and I love to read books. It's a part of my hobby.
Okay. Oh, that's nice. So, Karishma ma'am, as we have just seen a book about pet, would you like to play a game of animals? Okay, so let us play a game of animals. So I'll be sharing the screen with you all. And I think till that time, Karishma ma'am will join us back again. So the game is about the animals. As you can see on the screen, it is a game about wild animals or domestic animals. Okay, let us see. All right. So I will put my name here. We need to enter the name. So I'll put my name and let's start. Okay, kiddos, you can help me to play. Ready? Is this animal wild or domestic? Dog is a domestic animal. Oh, we got right. Okay. Is this animal wild or domestic? This is sheep. I think domestic. We keep sheep in our houses, yes, because they give us wool. Okay. Let us see the third question. Is this animal wild or domestic? This is a wild animal. I don't keep rhinoceros in my house. Okay, let us see the next question. Is this animal wild or domestic? Oh my god, what is this? Dinosaur! This is a wild animal. Yes, we don't keep dinosaurs at home. Is this animal wild or domestic? Let us see. Oh wow, a cute mouse. I think it's a domestic animal. Oh yes, because few people likes to keep mouse at their house. Okay, let us see, kiddos. Are you answering in the chat or not? Okay, eagle is wild or domestic? I think wild. Because it eats flesh. Yes, eagle flesh khati hai na? So it's a wild bird. Okay. Let us see what is the next question. Oh cute! What is this? This is a squirrel. And these are domestic. No? Oh no. This is not right. Because squirrel lives in forest. Okay. Let us see the next question. Fish. Fish is a domestic animal. We can keep fish at home. What do you say? Let me opt for domestic. Yes. Okay, let us see the next question. Okay, Karishma ma'am, would you like to answer? Cow is domestic or wild?
Cow is domestic.
Okay.
We can keep cow in a house. We
Yes,
can.
and you know, Karishma ma'am, you can play this game with your kids in the class.
Yes, I would love to play and they'll enjoy.
This is a kitten. What do you think? It's a wild animal or domestic animal?
No, it's very cute. It's domestic.
Oh wow. Here completes the game. So, how did you like it? Did you like it?
Yes, it was awesome. It's really giving us knowledge about wild and domestic, the difference between them, and we get to learn about more about the animals. So it was really learning with fun.
Yes, ma'am, it was amazing. And let us take a little break and we'll get back with some interesting activities for your brain development. So stay
Okay.
tuned. Okay, Karishma ma'am. So we are back after a short break. Now what next?
Ma'am, we have played so many games. We have done our mental development. Don't you think it's a time for creativity?
Oh wow, you mean to say something related with drawing?
Yes, it's related to our drawing. We can have creativity, we can have drawing, we can have craft, whatever you want. So, what do you want?
Okay. I want to draw something. Let us draw something.
I know what our kids also loves drawing. So let's
Yes.
draw.
And as we have done the animal theme today, so let us draw a animal only, an animal. What do you say?
Okay, then which animal will be drawing? Domestic or wild?
We'll be drawing a domestic animal.
Okay.
So let us start.
Oh,
Okay. So let's start. We are going to draw a dog today.
okay. A dog is a domestic animal, ma'am.
Yes, we are going to draw a dog. What we need is you need either a book, your drawing book, or some white color sheet. As Karishma ma'am is having in her hand, you can see it. And I'm going to use a book, which is my doodle book. Okay, like you have seen ma'am's doodle book, like that. So let us start. Okay, Karishma ma'am, do you love drawing?
Yes, ma'am. I'm fond of drawing. You know
Oh
what? Even
wow,
I have my personal drawing book.
really?
Yes, in which I draw so many things. You are teaching us to
Okay,
draw animals, right?
all right. So let us start. As you can see, we are also having the white paper and a marker like in the video. So let us start. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we need to draw a circle first. Small circle
Another circle.
and one more circle.
These are the eyes of dogs?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
Okay, done with the eyes. see what next. Okay, we need to color the eyes.
Yes.
Okay. Now let us see what are they going to do. Okay. So let us make these curves over the eyes. I think they are drawing the eyebrows.
Now a nose.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, we have drawn the nose.
Akshara ma'am, what he has drawn?
The smile, the smiling lips.
Okay.
You want to see? I'll show you.
Yes.
See, I have done this much. You can see.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Okay, let us see.
Okay.
Now they are drawing the face, I think. You know which color dog I have, Karishma ma'am?
No, ma'am. Which color?
I have a white color Pomerian dog.
Wow, ma'am. Even mine, in my neighbor, one of my neighbor have a pet dog.
Oh wow.
But I do have cat.
Yes, even cats are very pretty.
Yes. And very innocent also. I love to play with my cat.
Yes, you're right.
Okay, I have made this much. Now I am outlining it.
Okay. I like the face they are drawing.
Yes.
Okay, Karishma ma'am, let us see. You want to see how much I have drawn?
Yes.
Uh-oh, I think I've done something wrong. Let me do it one more time. I have to erase it.
Okay. When I have not completed, let me complete.
Okay. Okay, Karishma ma'am.
Oh, what they are going to make next?
I think the ears of dog.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm loving it.
Yes, me too.
Okay, he's taking another. Okay, he's making ears.
Yes.
Now I got
I
it.
am also done with ears.
Wow, ma'am, you're too fast. We have made eyes, nose, a smile, and 2 ears. Okay. So, mouth of the dog is finished.
Yes.
You know, Matt, what dogs loves to eat?
Bones?
Yes, they loves to eat bones. And what cat likes to drink?
Milk.
Yes.
Okay, can you show me? I am done with my doggy.
Oh, I need some time, ma'am.
Okay, let us see. Okay, I am done with this much. Let me see. Let me make the hands of the dog. Karishma ma'am, are you done?
Yes, ma'am, I am drawing.
Okay, that's nice. See, they are making the legs of dogs. Okay, Karishma ma'am, so they are making the legs of dog, and I think now they are going to make the tail. See, are you done with it? Oh, there is a network breakdown from Karishma ma'am. So, kiddos, I am done with my doggy. You want to see? I'll show you. See, this is my doggy. And now I'm going to color it. Yes, here are my colors. I love all the colors. So I'm gonna paint my dog with brown and some yellow. Okay, okay. So some yellow color and some brown color. Let me ask you all, can you tell me where does a dog live? Yes, kiddos. Doggy कहाँ रहता है? Do you know? Yes, they live along with us in our houses. But what is a dog house called? Do you know? Kennel. Yes, a dog house is known as kennel. And Karishma ma'am is back with us. Are you done, Karishma ma'am? Oh
Yes,
wow.
ma'am, I have done this draw.
Okay, you want to see the rest of the video?
Yes.
Okay, see they are coloring it. Oh wow, they're doing pencil colors.
Okay, I have to make legs.
You want me to stop it? You can
Oh,
draw.
Okay.
Okay. Till the time I am going to color my dog. You know, Karishma ma'am, there
Yes,
are
ma'am.
many types of breeds. There are different kinds of breeds of dogs. Do you know?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. My neighbor has German Shepherd with her.
Oh, they are very dangerous sometimes because they are used by police officers for crime scenes. Yes, crime incidents के लिए ना उन dogs को भी use किया जाता है. You know why,
As
Karishma ma'am?
sneaker dog.
Yes, because they can smell from far
Smell.
away.
Yes.
And you know, the most expensive breed of dog is Golden Retriever.
Ooh.
Yeah,
And
they're
they are
very,
kept as a guard for a house because they are
yes,
very
they
efficient
guards
in the
our
work.
house. True, you are saying right.
Ma'am, let's play the video.
Okay, you want to play the video again? Okay, Karishma ma'am. You want me to show my doggy?
Yes.
See?
Oh, wow, you have also colored brown.
Yes, I'm coloring it in brown and yellow.
But I am keeping my doggy as blue only.
Oh wow, that's nice. Okay, so I am almost done. I hope kiddos you are also doing lots of drawing as it develops your right brain. Oh, Karishma ma'am, we have not told them. Why do we do drawing? हम drawing क्यों करते हैं? Because it develops your right
Drawing
brain. Right brain deals with creativity. See, my doggy.
and my doggy.
Oh wow, let me see. We'll zoom our pictures. Oh wow,
Yes, my dog is
amazing.
blue. Have you
Yes,
seen blue dog?
never. But in movies, I have seen a colorful dog. So this is your creative drawing. आप जो चाहे वो कलर डाल सकते हैं अपने डॉगी को ब्लू, पिंक, कलरफुल, ऑरेंज, मल्टी कलर का डॉगी भी बना सकते हैं. But the
Yes,
important
and
thing
for
is,
a kid, color doesn't matter. A tree can
yes,
be a blue or a green for them. A dog can be a brown or a blue for them. So it's all on their creativity, what they think and what they feel.
yes, ma'am, you are right. The important thing is आपको बस draw करना है. Drawing is important, right? तो आप उसमें
Yes.
draw करके बहुत सारा coloring कर सकते हैं. And I will just write the name of the animal. Doggy, doxy, doggy. Okay. Okay. So I'm done with my drawing. Now I want to play a game, ma'am. You want to play a game too?
Okay, now even I am bored. So
Yes, we
let's
have
play
done
a
lots of
game.
drawing. So let us play a game. Right?
Okay.
Okay. So I have a game for you for your mental development. हमने राइट ब्रेन को डेवलप किया है अब हम लेफ्ट ब्रेन को भी डेवलप करेंगे What do you say, Karishma ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. And left brain says logic. So we
Yes,
have to use logic in this game, right?
you have to use some logic, but you can be little illogical also because it's a game. तो गेम में आप थोड़े से funny answers भी दे सकते हो. Okay,
Okay. Let's see
so
what the question
let
is
us play
asking.
the game. Yes, there is only one rule, ma'am, that आपको answers बहुत quickly देने हैं, fast fast. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So here we go. Ready to solve the riddles?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's
If you
see
got
what the
8 marks or more than 8, then I will tell you you are a genius. अगर 10 में से आपके 8 या 8 से ज्यादा मार्क्स आए तो आप जीनियस कहलाओगे मैम, वरना आप जीनियस नहीं कहलाओगे.
Okay, let's see. Am I genius or not?
Okay, so here we go. Let's get started. Okay, which is faster, hot or cold? Which is faster?
Oh,
कौन सी
hot
चीज
or
जल्दी
cold?
जल्दी होती है? हॉट और कोल्ड?
This is a tricky question.
Yes, you have to apply your logical mind, being a little illogical.
Okay, let me
Do you give
guess.
up? Answer is hot. You can easily catch cold. So hot is
Oh,
faster.
okay,
Yes,
it was funny.
yes. Okay, let's move to the second question. What has teeth but cannot eat?
This
उसके
I
दांत.
know, Aksha ma'am.
Okay, you know the answer?
Yes, the answer is comb with teeth, but we cannot eat
Oh
by the comb.
wow! Yes, you are right. Comb has teeth but cannot eat. Oh my God, Karishma ma'am, 1 point to you. Yes,
Yes.
you are walking towards being genius. Let us see the next question. Are you ready?
Oh, yes, I'm ready.
Okay, here you go. Which table does not have legs? ऐसी कौन सी टेबल है जिसके पैर नहीं होते? सोचो सोचो मैम, जल्दी से.
Ma'am,
Is it a
tables,
table?
vegetable.
Yes, it can be vegetable. Vegetables के legs
Wow.
थोड़ी होते हैं. Very good, Karishma ma'am. 2 points to you.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm
Okay.
more excited. Let's play the next
Yes.
slide.
Why is 6 afraid of 7? मैम 6 को 7 से डर क्यों लगता है? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, it's a little bit hard. 5, 6, afraid of 7. Okay,
Yes,
let me.
it is a little hard, but you can try, ma'am. Okay, do you give up?
Yes.
Okay, I will tell you because 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9 को खा जाता है, इसलिए 6 को 7 से डर लगता है. Isn't that funny, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, it was so funny.
Yes, it is. Okay, let us see the next one. I think my kiddos must be laughing. कि 7 number कभी 9 को खा सकता है क्या? Okay, so let's see what is next. What kind of dog never bites? ऐसा कौन सा डॉगी है मैम जो कभी काटता नहीं है? Can you
This
tell me?
also I know, ma'am. This is a food like this is hot dog.
Okay. Yes, you are right. It is हॉट डॉग हम खाते हैं, वो हमें बाइट नहीं करता. ओ माय
One
गॉड.
more point added, ma'am.
Yes. Did you count how many points you got? आप काउंटिंग कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे हो मैम?
Yes, ma'am, I'm counting. I've got 3 points now.
Very good. Okay, so let us move to the next question. Okay, ready?
Okay. Ready.
Okay, so here you go. Forward, I am heavy, and backward, I am not. एक वर्ड है जिसे हम अगर फॉरवर्ड देखते हैं, यानी कि अगर हम उसे फॉरवर्ड वे में देखते हैं तो वो एक हैवी उसको ऑब्जेक्ट को शो करता है, और अगर हम उसे बैकवर्ड देखते हैं सो इट इज नॉट. कैन यू गेस द वर्ड? कैन यू गेस इट
Oh,
करिश्मा मैम?
this is also.
Yes, it is also little difficult. But you can try करिश्मा मैम, एक बार ट्राई तो कीजिए. Okay, you give up? All right, I will tell you. The answer is ton. Ton. Yes, ton is a degree for weight. मतलब जब हम weight measure करते हैं ना, तो उसके लिए यूज होता है ये टन. 1 ton. एंड जब हम इसको रिवर्स में देखेंगे, बैकवर्ड देखेंगे, so what it spells? N-O-T, not. So this was the answer. Now let us see what is the next question. What man cannot live inside a house? Oh my God, kiddos. क्या ऐसा कोई मैन है जो घर के अंदर नहीं रह सकता? Can you tell me? Can you try? एक बार ट्राई करेंगे आप लोग? Just try it once. सोचो सोचो, ऐसा कोई अंकल है, ऐसा कोई मैन है जो घर के अंदर नहीं रह सकता? Okay, I will tell you the answer. It's a snowman. हम snowman को घर में नहीं रखते हैं ना. Snowman तो मेल्ट हो जाता है अगर हम उसे घर में रखेंगे तो, because it is made of snow. So snowman हम घर में नहीं रख सकते. Okay, let us move to our next slide. Are you ready? Are you ready for the next slide? Okay, let us move. What is the smallest room in the world? ऐसा कोई रूम है क्या जो सबसे छोटा सा है? Yes, Karishma ma'am. Do you know
Yes,
any?
ma'am, I know this answer.
Okay, you can tell me.
It's mushroom.
Oh yes, I didn't thought about it. It can be a mushroom. Okay,
Yes,
let's see what is the answer. Oh my
yes,
God,
you're right.
Karishma, you are right. It is mushroom. Okay, we have one more question, Karishma ma'am. Can you see?
What question can you never answer yes to? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Can you tell me ऐसा कोई question है जिसका आंसर कभी भी yes में नहीं होगा?
You mean a universal question जिसका आंसर कभी yes नहीं होगा?
It can be any question. आप कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन सोच सकते हो जिसका आंसर हम कभी भी yes में नहीं देंगे. सोचिए मैम, think about it.
Yes, I'm thinking about it. It's little bit tricky.
Yes, it is. You can try.
Okay,
Okay.
do you know the answer?
Yes, I know. Okay, I will tell you one thing. We generally don't ask this question to people. हम ऐसा question किसी से पूछते नहीं है. ये ऐसा question है जो हम हर किसी से पूछते नहीं है. अब आप सोच सकते हो.
Are you dead?
No. No. But you have got the answer. Yes. हम ये सवाल किसी से भी नहीं पूछते. Are you dead? So
Yes.
Karishma ma'am has got the answers, and thank you for playing with us, Karishma ma'am. It was really enjoying, and you are a genius because you just gave only one wrong answer and all the 9 right answers. So big
Yes.
clapping for Karishma ma'am. Okay, एक और छोटा सा गेम हो जाए करिश्मा मैम.
Okay. You have another more exciting game.
Yes, I have one more game for you. Do you want to play?
Yes, I would love to. I'm enjoying your game series.
Okay, then here it comes. Okay, I'll present it to you and we will find some differences because I love doing the riddle with difference. मुझे तो बहुत अमेजिंग लगता है जब हम spot the difference play करते हैं. So are you ready, Karishma ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready. Again, you'll be showing me two pictures, right?
Yes. Can you see the two pictures on the screen?
Yes, here also I can see so many animals, ma'am.
Yes, today's theme is animals. So, one more game with animal, ma'am.
Here I found the first difference, Akshara, ma'am.
Okay. Did you got the
One,
answer?
yes, hand of pig is missing.
Oh, yes, you are right. One hand is in different position. Okay, let me also
Yes,
see. The tongue of cow is the second difference, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. A duck is missing in the first picture.
Yes, this is the third one. And the small piggy, the small pig behind the goat is missing in the second picture.
Can you
We
see
have
the
found.
position of ship is also changed?
Yes, the position of sheep is different. 5 difference. I think there must be a difference with rabbit as well. Could
Yes,
you
ma'am.
find
A rabbit is
something?
missing.
Rabbit is there, but I think I'm not able to find the last one, ma'am. Okay,
Ma'am, behind the deer, an animal is there.
you mean the small pig?
Yes.
Yes, it is missing. You are right.
So we have
Okay,
got six
Karishma ma'am.
differences.
Let us see what are the answers. Okay, we have got the tongue of the cow, right? The pig, missing pig also. The hand of the big pig. The position of sheep and the duck. Let us see what else was missing. Okay, the hair of the
Hair
horse.
of the horse. Yes.
Yes. And something. Yes, the goat legs also. The goat's leg is also in different position, ma'am. Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, so that was all for today. I hope you all have enjoyed and keep enjoying the games. Keep practicing. Use your brain. Do lots of drawing and be genius, being unique. Thank you so much for coming, Karishma ma'am. Say bye-bye and take care. Have a nice day.
To you too, ma'am. Bye
Bye.
bye.